Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't end up buying a potato when you wanted a drone. Today, we have a drone duel between the Holy Stone mini drone and the Idea brushless motor drone. It's going to be an aerial showdown, so grab your popcorn because this is going to be more entertaining than watching your cat try to catch a laser pointer. Let's start with the all-important question. How much do these bad boys cost? Holy Stone mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $36. That's right, folks, less than the cost of a fancy dinner date that you won't get a second call for. On the other hand, the Idea brushless motor drone will set you back $89. That's more like a dinner date, where you also have to buy dessert, drinks, and maybe a bouquet of roses. So if you're on a budget, Holy Stone might be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk about the fun factor. The Holy Stone mini drone is like the circus clown of drones. It can perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's basically a flying fidget spinner on steroids. Kids love it, and honestly, adults do too. Admit it, Steve. I saw you doing flips in the office last week. Now, the Idea brushless motor drone is like the James Bond of drones. It comes with a 4K camera, obstacle avoidance, and can fly up to 1,000 feet away. It's like the drone equivalent of driving a Ferrari while drinking a martini shaken, not stirred. Plus, it has a VR function, so you can feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Holy Stone may be fun, but Idea is on a whole other level of cool. When it comes to user-friendliness, Holy Stone has got your back. With altitude hold and headless mode, even your grandma can fly this thing without crashing it into the neighbor's cat. It's perfect for beginners and kids who are more likely to crash into things than land smoothly. Idea, however, is a bit more sophisticated. It has optical flow positioning, headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, gesture control, and more. It's like the drone version of a Swiss Army knife. But let's be real, with great power comes great responsibility, and maybe a steeper learning curve. So if you're up for the challenge, Idea is your drone. Now, let's talk battery life. Holy Stone comes with 3 batteries, giving you up to 21 minutes of flight time. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. Idea, on the other hand, has 2 modular batteries that give you a total of 20 minutes. Just enough time for a quick aerial tour of your neighborhood or to spy on your neighbor's barbecue. But hey, it folds up nicely and comes with a carrying case, so you can take it anywhere. Camping trip, anyone? Overall, the Holy Stone mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and kids. However, some reviewers have noted occasional issues with durability and performance outdoors. On the other hand, the Idea brushless motor drone receives mixed reviews. It's lauded for its advanced features, good camera quality, and stability. But some users have experienced issues with durability, battery life, and control. Customer service for Idea has been highlighted as responsive and helpful. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone mini drone is fun, affordable, and great for beginners. The Idea brushless motor drone is packed with features, perfect for those who want a bit more adventure and sophistication. Whether you want a flying fidget spinner or a James Bond gadget, the choice is yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until then, fly high and buy smart.